I'm back in Odium at number 75 Antiques. Now thankfully it's only a 15-minute drive from our house in England, and I've come back to look to see if the gold shades I saw back in October would be any good to put on top of the lamps in the hallway. So let's get in and see if they've still got them. Oh, I can spot them already. So these are the little shades I found back in October when we found the curtains, and I said they were a fantastic price. All 9 of them were 32. They are gold. I'm not quite sure if they're going to work or not. Let me pick one up for a closer look. So as you can see, they are gold, but as you can see, they've got the clip to go around the bulb. Now that's not going to work with Adrian's candle bulbs, is it? And I'm not sure how pleased he will be if I say they've got to be changed again. Going to speak to the man and see if we can possibly take them back to France, see what they look like, and then decide. I'm also still hunting for this table to go below the horse's headlamp, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be that successful in here, unfortunately. I'll keep looking. There's a couple of nice frames and some very old paintings up there. Adrian would love that, but he's not having it. Oh, there's a nice green card table here. £65. And quite a nice corner cabinet. But I'm not looking for one of those any longer. £40.
Quick country drive out, just for the moment, a bit of fresh air. There's a lot of rattling going on in the back of my van, and that's probably why I forgot you were in the back. What are you doing?
Always being asked to bring back stuff for a certain person, but it's gone way and beyond his favours this time. We've had to empty your stuff out first and come and deliver this for him. As you can see, it's only just gone in the van.
Good my word, yeah.
I was just checking it's all right before we actually get there.
Can anyone guess what it is? So what do we got? We got a...
There's more in here.
Oh, there's even more stuff for him, is there?
Yeah, it's all good. That's all upright.
So some uprights. That looks like a headboard. A black headboard.
Someone that was in desperation of a bed, apparently, all the way from England. So that's where we're off to. We're just going, if you let me out, get out.
Oh, I was about to shut the doors again. It was a lot better when you were in the back. It was so much quieter in the front.
So
oh, you found it. Oh, okay. Well, let's carry on to wherever we're going.
So obviously the bloke I was talking about
is Ash.
Terry.
I blame it on Ash.
Good old Terry. So we've got to here at La La Salle, and there you go.
Help yourself.
So how much was it, Terry? I ordered a mattress as well. Is that not come?
Yeah, we liked it. We kept it.
Have you kept that?
I wonder if I had a good night's sleep.
How much was the bed, Terry?
It was a bargain.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get it
Have
out.
a look. If you tell me the price, I'll help you. Well, I'll have a look, and if it looks nice, I'll tell you the price.
Otherwise we'll be taking it back again.
That will become firewood.
Paid much for it.
We've delivered the bed. Terry, are you happy with it?
Yes, absolutely love it. So thank you so much. Honestly, he's
Saved the day again.
yet again, you've come to my rescue, Carol.
I know, that's what I'm here for. Anyway, you saw me buy these in a Brocont in Odium in Hampshire. I'm not quite sure about them at the moment because I didn't realise that the trim was actually dark brown.
Yep.
Now, Terry says he has some navy blue braid
I've got
or gold or...
There's plenty there, yeah. Just the like fabric on the shade looks lovely, but the actual trim, it just makes it look quite cheap, I think. It doesn't add to it.
Doesn't have
When
the
I
oomph.
saw them, I thought, oh, it's a bit grannified as well.
Yeah. Need to think with tassels on.
Tassels, I didn't think of that.
Tassels.
I've got...
We might have tassel one and then a plain one on the top. Might not be the same, but they might work together.
Let's have a look what you got.
Yeah, come on then. My little cupboard of curiosities.
This is scary, that cupboard.
So,
Who needs a Brocont when you can come to Terry's?
yeah.
This basically is a
Oh,
Mayos.
Tracy, of course. Oh, that one will do beautifully. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, I think I'll swipe that one.
Pandora's bag. Not box.
A trim. So, are you wanting blue or gold?
Well,
That's a nice plain gold.
it should either be navy to match the other lampshades or gold.
Little gold one. And I'll only charge you by the meter.
Take the bed back.
Tassel one. So if you had that one on the bottom.
You don't think that's too wide for the shade?
How much like height have you got when it's on? Oh, I like that.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It needs. It's for the chateau. I like that one. Green.
Carol, like everything, and then we can take it.
If I just take the whole bag,
take
Exactly.
take the back, what I don't use.
Yeah, when we're delivering the next item.
Where did you get all of this from?
Anything else?
That's amazing. You don't even get a seat to sit on while you're looking.
You do now.
I'm not getting you a nice chair.
You're going to have to stop the video. There's somebody at the door.
Is there?
Now take the bag! Quick!
Did you see the chair he got me?
I know, Bubs. I thought you said that on purpose. I thought we were going to grab the bag and run.
That one was fine because
He'll never know.
that's the tassels he's got in my bedroom upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we going to put it?
See where I say, my bedroom, he stole it from me.
But you can't make your mind up, so I think just take the bag.
I think, while he's not there here, where did he put it? Oh, that one. I think that one's too wide, personally. And I think it clashes a bit, but, you know, some people are quite flamboyant, mentioning no names.
He did say it is a chateau. Go for it.
I've got one very similar to that. In fact, I've got so many tassels and trims left over from the salon that maybe I should think about using them.
Not theirs.
Well, not if he's going to charge me, no.
I haven't told him the import tax yet, so I think that's a contra of his bed.
We're out the room, I rummaged through them all anyway.
Have we made a decision yet? 'Cause
That's too big.
That's too big, yeah. So it's basically either one of those two. But I've got I've got identical to that at home.
Have you?
I swear I have. Left over from the salon that I didn't use.
I think that's nice. I think that's really nice. Except there's that one if you want that one as well. I think that's nice just having the little trim on the bottom. Are you not liking it? You prefer just plain?
Well, I'm not quite sure, to be honest. Maybe we'll just do away with them. You said you'd buy them off me if I didn't like them.
I would.
£1,000.
Plus delivery.
Plus delivery. How much is delivery? £1,000.
Comes to about 10 quid.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Well, we've got that on a photo.
The only thing is, obviously,
there's not a lot of that, and there's six
shades.
Yeah. That's not going to
There's
go
only
around 6 shades.
1.5 metres of that.
Yeah, that's not going to do it.
No.
I'm going to go back to the chateau and see what ones we've got there.
Yeah.
And then I'll come back to you. Well, we're going to let Terry get back to some work, and we're going to get out of this muddy place. Muddy cold place.
Well, you were going to buy it.
I know.
She was. I wasn't.
Terry's already put his order in for next time, so we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks, yeah. So we can help you with the trim.
We'll see what we can find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Yeah, and then go from there.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you. Take
Always
care.
nice to see you.
Back in the Halloween scene.
This is Halloween. Obviously, that's a very nice glow for a haunted house, but it's not going to give us any light at all. So I propose. I quite like the
Flickering light.
shades. No, I
Yeah.
quite like the shades.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Well, hey, there's a difference. Yeah, I don't know how well it comes out on my camera, but the other lights don't work unless they haven't got the shades on there. So I think, yeah. But a lot of you out there might prefer it the other way. I don't know, but I personally prefer the one on the right.
Candlelight, bright light, no shades.
Oh, too much.
Sorry. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's not
That
an
one.
it's not an
Where's my
LED one.
Okay.
It's a filament.
So. Good
Sold?
night. Good night.
Okay.
So we're wrapped up very warm. It's a bit of a dull, miserable day, but we are applying for change of use to the coach house. So this is the amazing, beautiful, stunning coach house, not Adrian.
This is my favourite building.
This is Adrian's favourite building. But
Converting.
it does need converting. But before we can do that, we need to get change of use or make it habitable use.
We do, like planning permission.
And in order to do that, they need measurements.
We need to give them
of
all the size.
every single angle and measurement and surface area.
And the reason is, when we've spoken to them, the coach house actually has to be smaller than the chateau in square area. So the reason we got to measure this up is get all the plans in for them to say it is smaller. It's clearly smaller. We can show that on a cadastral, which is like a plan, and they can see that, but they want physical measurements. And I'm really pleased because came at the perfect time. Sigmund have sent me a digital tape measure. I'm sure people have all seen this before. There's nothing worse. When I was doing the chateau, you'd be rolling out the tape measure, putting your finger next to it. Carol would then carry on another 3 meters. Now I can zap from wall to wall, instantly tells me on a display the dimensions. Estate agents use them all the time. I don't even like that word, estate agents. It's horrible, isn't it?
Hopefully you can't mess this up.
Hopefully, well, unless this messes it up. So, so this is, as I said, Sigmund CT50. Let's go inside. Let's start measuring up this coach house and the barn and the farmhouse. Right, so as you see, there is a display, not coming up, there it is, on the top, telling me the dimensions. And as you see on my hand, literally is, if anyone doesn't know, it's literally throwing a laser beam from the edge. So I can either go from this edge or this edge. Obviously most of the time it'll be this edge because I put this against the wall, throws a laser beam out there which bounces back, and it obviously takes a dimension. So It is as easy as that. So popping it on the wall. So just check, as you see on the other side, Carol.
Hold on, I haven't got that yet.
Hurry up.
But you're super fast.
Oh yes,
I can just see a red dot, yeah.
Okay, so once you're happy, there's a red dot there. And it bounces back, and then it gives me a dimension of 4.96 meters.
Have a look.
Bottom one.
Yeah, I can't see.
Don't worry. So again, and I can literally just throw around really quickly all the this one here.
Does it measure my waistline? It's not big enough.
We use the proper tape measure that's in there. Your waistline is very thin, darling.
Could be thinner.
We all say that, don't we? Right, again, over to the other wall. You can see there's a red dot on the wall, so I'm happy with that. 6 meters, and it stores both of them, so I know it's 4.96 plus 6 meters. How easy is that? And messing around trying to get a tape measure along the floor.
I like that it's also got a built-in tape measure as well, though.
It has.
For simple people like me.
Yeah, it's 2 meters long, which is fine, isn't it?
We only need 6 inches, don't we?
On a good day.
Has anyone seen our celery? This is the celery, which is supposed to be the tack room.
What a mess.
It has got a nice tiled floor.
And the original.
The original oak panelling, and with all the hooks for the old saddles.
Well, no, that actually, I'll just correct you. I know you know everything.
I do know
I'm
what.
pretty sure that would have gone round the ox, come cow, come whatever, for
Oh, for tying on the sleigh.
yeah, that'd have gone round the reindeer. We get a lot of snow here.
Oh, that's what that ring's for.
Exactly. And out the back, we still have the plough.
Oh, we can say the reindeer then.
I got banned from reindeer racing, didn't I?
You did indeed.
Right, let's measure this room then quickly, and then... Right, oh dearie me.
As you can see, we only use this room as another storage.
2.36 metres, as quick as that.
Don't even think about sitting on my chairs in those trousers.
Well, I'll be shot at dawn. I'll be in the French guillotine. This will be the moment of truth, because there's no way I'm sitting here doing lots of tape measurements with this floor. So I'm measuring the hallway up just to get an ish idea. Yeah.
There's a red dot at the other end.
It says that it will measure 50 metres.
50.
50 metres. And now our hallway is 17.4 metres long. No wonder it took me so long to do the flooring down here. That actually means, if I've got this bit right, okay. Well, I reckon we're just under 200 square metres, this chateau, and the coach house was 140. It shows how big the coach house is, though.
That is just the floor plan, isn't it?
Floor area, just a pure footage on the floor. So this is almost 200. The coach house on its own is nearly 140.
But
Wow.
Combined, that means that it's all good to go. There's
It
no
is.
reason why it can't be approved.
No. In principle, they've already given us the red light, but I have to give them all these measurements, and then that's good to be converted. Good news.